Good afternoon, Muscle Car Corner here at Mecum, Kissimmee Summer Show. It's hot. We got a hot little Comet right here, and I wanted you to see. Pretty cool piece, 64 Comet Cyclone. Pretty rare little car. It is a 4-speed car with buckets and a console. Pretty cool. Nice old Hearst shifter. These Comets are pretty rare. You don't see them too often. Then you got a Comet motorcycle behind it. This is kind of crazy. They built this motorcycle to look like a Comet. I'll tell you what, that's pretty damn cool. Kind of a neat little build there. Comet on Comet.